Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we will complete the grammar portion of Unit 3, Qaid, a great leader. So let's start it. Article. What is article? Article are three in numbers: a, an, and the. Fill the blanks. Fill in the article a, an, or the where necessary. Insert cross where no article is used. We have to put a, an, the, and cross where necessary. So as you know that a is used before consonant, an is used before vowel sound, the is used before noun, and we use no article before country, cities, lakes, rivers, consonants, names. So now fill it. I like something something blue t-shirt over there better than dash red one. I like dash blue t-shirt. So I like a blue t-shirt. Because blue here the sound is consonant. I like a blue t-shirt over there better than the red one. When we point out one thing of many, so we use the. I like a blue t-shirt over there better than the red one. Here we pointed red one, so we use the. Their car does 150 miles dash hour. So is a vowel sound, h is consonant, but here it pronounced as r, not her. So r is a vowel sound, so n, miles, and r. Where's dash USB drive I lent you last week? USB is a noun, we use the. Where's the USB? Do you still live in dash Bannu? Here you can see word Bannu, and Bannu is city name. So we can't use article before city name. Do you still live in Bannu? Is your mother working in dash old office building? Old is a vowel sound, so we put an before old. An old office building. Verbs. Which of the three sentences containing a modal auxiliary verbs has the same meaning as the original one? So we have to find the correct one. They are able to speak English well. They are able to speak. Able to speak means when you have ability of something to do. So they are able to speak English well. So when we have ability to do something, we use the modal verb can. So they can speak English well. Can. There is a possibility of rain tomorrow. Possibility of rain tomorrow. So when we talk about possibility, we have to use modal verb may. It may rain tomorrow. Do I have to clean the kitchen? Do I have clean the kitchen? So when we have suggestion of something, so we use should. Here you can see do I have to clean the kitchen mean suggestion. Here is suggestion. So should I clean the kitchen? Are you able to drive a tractor? Are you able to drive? Again the word is able to. Able to mean you have ability. So ability of something we use can. Can you drive a tractor? We are not allowed to swim when the red flag is flying. When something is obligatory, so we use must. We must not swim when the red flag is flying. Find the regular verb in each line and write it in the space provided. So here are some words: read, feel, play, see. When we add ed at the end of the verb and to change its meaning, it is called regular verb. And when we don't add ed but change its form, so it is called irregular verb. So read, feel, play, see. Play, so play is a regular verb. Play, played, played. Next is listen, do, go, make. Listen, we add ed at the end of verb listen. So listened, listened, listened. Know, help, say, think. We use ed at the end of help. Help, helped, helped. Second form of help is helped, and the third form is also helped. Help, helped, help. Like, write, forget, eat. We use d at the end of like. Liked, liked, liked. Last one is take, bring, cut, clean, and we add ed at the end of clean. So clean, cleaned, cleaned. Thank you so much.